Simula na naging tatay ako, sobrang naging magaan yung loob ko sa mga kids and parents. Kaya nalungkot din ako because nobody talks about this often. Apparently, 97% of Pinoy babies have nutrition gap. That's a big number. Imagine, 97%. It's not just high in percentage, but it's very, very alarming. Sobrang sakit nito pakinggan as a parent. Hindi natin napapansin, but most nutrients are lacking, especially kapag ang mga babies ay nagsastart na ng solids. And as Alex's father, I want to avoid this by giving him the best start possible. May tiwala ako sa big sustansya na binibigay ng Cerelac to close this gap with proper nutrition. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na papalitan natin yung mga lutong bahay ha. We're just going to complement it with Cerelac. I love that it's packed with vitamins and minerals. It promotes growth dahil may vitamin D, calcium, and protein, boosts immunity with vitamin C, zinc, iron, and B-lactase probiotic. Last but not the least, supports brain development because it has DHA. Very easy to prepare, yummy, and packed with nutrition. 97% kaya pa nating babaan yan with the help of Cerelac.